Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Look at this.
Da, da,
I
da, da,
have
oh,
Mama right
oh,
here,
oh.
guys.
Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah.
I love them rosy noses, I love the mistletoes, I love them cheesy pieces on television, and I cry like a baby each time. See, the hero gets the girl, and I got a Merry Christmas crush. There's nothing like a fire, like angels in the snow. I never will be tired of this adorable season. Got a real feel-good flow. Oh, and every carol is a rush. Got a Merry Christmas crush.
Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How are you guys doing today? Jak się masz? Guys, I am greeting you here outside in the balcony where we were cooking for the last 3 weeks. And with that, we're going to be saying goodbye to this kitchen right here because we have officially transferred to the newly done modern kitchen by Mr. Handyman. Guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Hi! Dzień dobry! What is Sahani doing?
Cooking.
Guys, he already took over the kitchen. As you guys can see, he is cooking right here. Do you guys want to know? It's a Polish soup, which I actually really like, and it's called raw soup. So it's with pasta and chicken. It's a very good chicken soup. If this is actually the reason why we went to Carbon yesterday, because we were looking for the leek and for the parsley root, but to no avail. We couldn't find any, but he's gonna make it work. It's still very good. So there he is. So busy this morning cooking. Look at this, guys. We got this new pot in Unitop actually yesterday. It looks very good. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, looking good, honey. It's boiling. Boiling. It's like that. Nice. Wash the dishes off. Very legit kitchen. Oh, okay na. Oh, very nice. It feels so good to be waking up in the morning. You go to the kitchen and everything just looks good and works and so convenient. It's pleasant to the eye. What do you call it then? Arbush. Smacznego wodamelon. Hola, I just finished removing all of this stuff on the table. That table is actually from Papa, we just borrowed it. in the meantime when we were doing the kitchen here. So now I actually have this mega box which I store all of different stuff, pretty much plates, I don't know, like some of these, like just for cooking, cups and everything. And then here I put all of the like paprika and just little things like that. So we're gonna have to empty this since now we have all of the storage that we can have in the new kitchen. So I'm gonna have to transfer all of these. For this one, I think, I'm not sure if we're gonna get rid of this or we're gonna put this in the second bedroom. We'll see, because we have limited space in there, and then we just wanna make sure that we have a lot of space. We're not gonna be keeping this like stuff that we're not using on a daily basis. So guys, these are, oh my gosh, can you guys see? No. Look at this. We got so many in this cabinet that I have to sort out. Some we have to get rid of or give it to mom or sis. I have a lot of cups in here. And then here, some of these storage boxes. I have plates over there as well. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do today. Actually, there are still a lot of things to do in this house. Pretty much organizing, getting rid of stuff, and all of that. Hey guys, gilihiad na ang kusina. Mr. Handyman, look. He is the very first to use the kitchen. So first dish in the kitchen is a Polish soup, raw soup. See? So you have this fusilli pasta that's looking like a curly hair, and we have the chicken over there. Oh, bad blocking.
You want meat?
Yes. I want wings. Proszę. Oh, that looks good, honey. Guys, this is a very good soup, you know. It's also nice when you have hangover the night before. Let's see. Oh, one whole chicken, and it's got carrots as well in there. Yes, I like that piece. Wings always, and some carrots as well. We have fusilli over here. This cooker is very good so far. Very neat. And by the way, Robbie was able to finish doing the screen. Okay.
Eat.
Eat, Lileko. Hello guys, we just finished with our lunch. It was superb, so sumptuous. Thank you so much to Robbie for cooking rasu. We had our Polish fix for the day. Okay, so I just emptied this box over there, and now I will have to wash all of it, everything. Look at all of this. It's like 1,000,000 pieces.
Start from this one.
Oh, plates. I know, lagi, oy.
No.
Yeah, you know. But you should. Look at this. Glass, plates, ladles. There's so many in there. I have, oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, oh, see? All of this. We have to wash, guys. All. Look at that. And then we have to dry it. And then put it in our storage, okay? So yeah, we are doing some little works here and there. We are finally using the kitchen today, officially, guys. Oh my goodness. So hot, by the way, but it's good. Okay, let's go and just wash, yeah? Because look at this. I have a pump over here, guys. Very good. It works very well, you know. All right. Let's wash now. Shikren shikpesh do. Dogo. Guys, hello. Our job for today is not done yet. Though we have accomplished quite a lot by just moving stuff from the outside in the balcony and putting it in the main kitchen now. I've already cleaned the mega box and it's now in the second bedroom. It's empty. I think Robbie's gonna put some of his tools there. We are in the front of the house facing the road because we're gonna put the screen door over here. By the way, I just want to share that Robbie actually put up the camera. So we have a CCTV camera in the house. I mean, outside the house, guys. So we have two. All right, let me show it to you. Okay. So that you guys can see because it looks pretty good. You need this one, honey? I'll put this here.
Get the bag when you finish.
Okay, I'm gonna show it first. Hold on.
Wear the gloves
Yeah.
and
Mm.
pick up all the rubbish.
All right, so first camera in the house, guys, is right here, just in front, by this door, which we're not opening yet. It's now gonna be totally closed, but if we want to open it for emergency, we can still do, okay? So that will stay like that. And this actually turns 360 degree, and it can detect motion action. So if there's like something moving, it's gonna follow you. Yeah, so that's a very good thing. That's a very good addition here in the house, guys. That's Robbie's idea. He ordered this one online. We're gonna go to the other one where he installed it, here on this side of the house. So it's over there, and this one is actually fronting the bedroom area, because I really want to have that CCTV here in this section, because you never know. I know there's nothing in there, but it just makes me feel secure. Yeah. All right, so this is how it looks. It goes 360 as well, guys. See, so if I'm gonna pan it towards Sis house, I can actually see them clearly, or Papa. So that's where it is. Oh, it's a bit dark, but yeah, you get it. So yeah, we have those two, and then Robbie's gonna install another one where the balcony is, because that's gonna be our main entrance. Guys, this house is becoming 2025 already. Yeah, it's more advanced. It's not in the centuries anymore. We have graduated in the Renaissance period, so very nice. And then I'm going to show it to you that he actually installed another one over there in front of the house. In the balcony there is a solar light, and that one, if you're gonna pass by, it detects it and it's gonna turn on only when you pass by. Very, very good idea. Okay, now let's go and assist him over there. Alright guys, we just finished.
I finish always. I finished. He finished.
You finish always, honey?
Yeah, you should correct that.
You finish always, honey? Okay.
In the future.
Okay.
We finished. You know something? Not we.
Bye. Alright guys, we just finished. We just finished putting the screen on the other window. So now we're gonna put the curtains, these ones, the new ones. We're gonna replace this one. Look, this one is beige, you know. I got this from Mom. Okay. Gonna put. This is a very nice color, and I really like it. Okay.
Take the tag off.
It already was taken.
Of the white.
Which? I did already.
You did.
Yeah, look. Where?
There is somewhere.
Where? Show me. I did it. Bayo chukadong. It's super hot, guys. Look, it's 4 p.m. now.
Oh, this one. Not this way.
This way? it's so hot.
I think it's this one.
I thought it's you. Okay.
Dawaj szybko.
Dawaj, szybko. Nie. Chodź tutaj szybko. Chodź tutaj. Szybko. See, it's quick. Wait. There. Bayot yung kalele ko. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. Oh, yes. Guys, I love this color, especially in the morning. It looks so good. You have no idea, especially the white, the sheer white. It's very nice. It just makes the vibe of the room more warm and cool with the teal color. Very good, honey. Look at this. Wow. It's like we're in Greece now. White and teal. Hello, everybody. Good evening. Finally, we can rest. I have here wine, guys, because Robbie doesn't like this wine. This is pink Moscato, and it's very sweet. It's too sweet for him. Okay, we're watching something. What are we watching, Annie?
Cartoon.
Is it? Wait. Guys, let's have a cheers. Let's celebrate, because tomorrow I'm finally gonna be doing the kitchen tour. So excited for that. Honey, cheers. Na zdrowie. So good. We just finished dinner, by the way. We're watching now.
Before me, while you were working on this thing, you observed Clarice, Starling, and Hannibal Lecter interacting.
Interacting?
Talking to one another.
Yes. Yes, it seemed to me that they...
I can see you're eager to justify a consulting fee, but why don't we start with what you saw? Not what you thought about what you saw.
I don't know nothing like that, or he can give us his opinion. But give us your opinion of what you saw.
Is this action?
What was it between you?
Title?
Most of the time, Dr. Lecter didn't respond at all to visitors.
Two?
He just, for instance, opened his eyes long enough to insult some academic who was there to look over. With Starling, he answered her questions. She interested him. She intrigued him. He thought she was charming and amusing.
So Clarice Starling and Hannibal Lecter became friendly.
Well, inside a kind of formal structure, yes.
And he was fun.
No?
Yes.
Thank you, Bonnie. Thank you very much for your candor. And keep all those wonderful items